Hi everyone, this is the Garden Acoustic Wave Vibration Animal Repeller from KCASA producer and bought from Banggood. So this is the box, and on the lateral side we have some briefly descriptions, some briefly dimensions and weight information, and the module where you can use the product. So you can see snakes, dogs, and so on. It's rechargeable, so it has 600 milliampere battery that recharges on sunlight. And let's see what we have inside the box. So inside the box we have a short manual on how we can mount the product, and some operation instructions. We have the ball that will stick inside the ground, and the connector inside of it. Okay. And we have the head with the shape of a leaf that contains the solar generator, and the on-off button, and this sensor that will detect the animal movement. Okay, so let's mount the product. We have two wires that we need to connect. Okay, we stick it inside. Okay, and here, if you can see, we will just insert in this. Okay, we need to put the cables inside. Okay, and it is fixed. So this is the product, and we'll go outside to test it.